Today we're at Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department, Fire Station 11. The event today is we're distributing toys to thousands of underprivileged kids. Obviously, without the support of our volunteers and public safety agents, this would not be possible. We have about approximately 200 to 300 kids from kindergarten to preschool that are picking up toys. 2 toys, a couple of brand new books. They're going to visit with Santa, and then we're going to get them back on the bus so they can get back to school. After that, we have approximately 50 to 60 schools coming to pick up toys. Okay, those schools, either a school counselor or a social worker is coming from that school. And we're going to make sure they might want 50, 60, 70 toys. We'll pack that bag for them, place it in their car, they'll take it back to the school, call the parents, they'll give the toys to the parents so the parents will have it for them for the holidays. We have kids from all over Fairfax County, some schools in Alexandria. We have maybe 2 or 3 schools coming from Oxon Hill, Maryland. We've been doing this event for almost 20 years now. Believe it or not, we have some of the same supporters. So promoting it is not difficult at all. This event, to me personally, I see myself as one of those kids 40-some years ago. You know, my family, it was six kids. My parents coming from Southern Virginia, we didn't have a lot. So my parents went to events like this to get gifts for us. So and now, fast forward, I look at it as too much is given, much is asked. So I feel like it's time for me to play it forward and give back. I just want to give a big shout out. Obviously, without the support of our volunteers, we have a lot of public safety agencies here, police, fire, sheriff, that plays a big role in this. Our volunteers, the companies, the businesses, we keep it simple. Teamwork makes the dream work.